Ever wish you could run to different accounts on your favorite apps without constantly logging in and out? On your Samsung phone, you absolutely can, and it's incredibly simple to set up with dual apps. This feature lets you create a second instance of many apps, perfect for managing separate work and personal accounts, or even keeping different profiles for games or social media. Let's dive in and boost your productivity and privacy. First, unlock your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now, tap the gear icon to access your phone's settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for an option called Advanced Features. Tap on that to open the Advanced Settings menu. Within Advanced Features, you'll find a section dedicated to Dual Messenger. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see a list of apps that support Dual Messenger. You'll notice a toggle switch next to each app for any app you want to create a second instance of. Simply tap the toggle switch to the right. You might get a prompt asking if you want to install a second copy of the app. Confirm this by tapping Install. Now, head back to your home screen or app drawer. You'll see your original app, and right next to it, a new icon indicating the second instance of that app, often with a small orange badge or dual app symbol. Open the second instance of the app. You'll be prompted to log in with a different account. This is where you can set up your separate profile, whether it's for a different social media account, a gaming profile, or anything else you need. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated an app. Now you can easily switch between your two accounts without missing a beat, keeping your digital life organized and your privacy secure. Enjoy the enhanced functionality on your Samsung device.